now we're going to get a little bit more specific about our discrete probability distributions. We're going to look at binomial experiments. And the term binomial, bi, like your bicycle, means two. A binomial experiment has just two outcomes. For example, you flip a coin. You could get a head or a tail. Two distinct outcomes. It is a binomial experiment. You have a child. You could have a boy or a two distinct binomial outcomes. Binomial. I ask you, did you have breakfast this morning? The answer is either yes or no. You cannot say, I sort of had breakfast. As soon as you ate something, well, you had something for breakfast. You have a yes or no, two different outcomes, binomial experiment. You go to a basketball game, you get up there, you're ready to make your three free throws. Either you made the free throw or you didn't make the free throw. It's a binomial experiment. Remember, the key for binomial experiments is that number two. Binomial experiments have two distinct, mutually exclusive outcomes, means they do not overlap. What are some examples of things that are not binomial experiments? If I had some kids at a birthday party and I asked them their age, there's definitely more than two outcomes. We could have 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds, 5-year-olds, all kinds of things. You stand on the scale and there's definitely more than two outcomes for your weight, a whole range of numbers. Or if I ask you, what kind of pets do you have? You could have dogs, cats, birds, gerbils, ferrets, all kinds of good stuff. There's definitely more than two. Because we're not limited to just two outcomes, these are not binomial experiments. Remember, binomial number two.